In today's digital age, the thought of someone eavesdropping on your personal conversations or tracking your activities through your smartphone is unsettling. While modern devices are designed with robust security features, vulnerabilities still exist. Recognizing the warning signs of a compromised phone is crucial to safeguarding your privacy. Here's how to determine if your phone might be tapped and steps to protect yourself. Number 1, unusual battery drain and overheating. If your phone's battery depletes rapidly or the device becomes unusually warm without heavy usage, it could indicate malicious software running in the background. Spyware often operates continuously, consuming significant battery power. To monitor this, for your iPhone, navigate to Settings, Battery to view detailed battery usage by apps. For Android, go to Settings, Battery usage to see which apps are consuming the most power. Identifying unfamiliar or excessively power-hungry apps can help pinpoint potential threats. Number 2, increased data usage. A sudden spike in data consumption without a clear reason may suggest that unauthorized applications are transmitting data from your device. To check your data usage, for iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular to see data usage per app. For Android, open Settings, Network and Internet, Data Usage to review data consumption. Monitoring this can help detect and address potential security breaches. Number 3, strange background noises during calls. Hearing unusual sounds like clicking, static, or distant voices during calls might indicate that your conversations are being intercepted. While occasional noise can result from network issues, consistent disturbances are a red flag. Number 4, delayed shutdown or restart. If your phone takes longer than usual to shut down or restart, it could be due to unauthorized software running in the background, preventing normal operation. Number 5, unexpected text messages or alerts. Receiving unusual text messages containing random symbols, numbers, or codes can be a sign of trouble. These messages might be attempts to gain remote access or test the connection of malicious software on your phone. Number 6, performance issues and unfamiliar apps. Experiencing sluggish performance, apps crashing, or noticing applications you didn't install can indicate unauthorized access. Regularly review your installed apps and remove any that seem suspicious. Number 7, use of USSD codes to detect call forwarding. It's possible that your calls are being forwarded without your knowledge. To check for unauthorized call forwarding on Android devices, dial *#21# and press the call button. This checks if all your calls are being forwarded. Dial *#67# and press the call button. This checks if your calls are being forwarded when your phone is busy. Dial *#62# and press the call button. This checks if calls are forwarded when your phone is unreachable. A pop-up will display the status of various types of call forwarding. If any are enabled without your consent, it could indicate unauthorized access. Protective measures. If you suspect your phone is compromised, update your phone's software. Ensure that your phone's operating system and security software are up to date to patch any vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. Perform a factory reset. Consider performing a factory reset on your phone to remove any potential spyware or surveillance software. Be sure to back up essential data before initiating the reset process. Install reputable security software. Use trusted antivirus or anti-spyware applications to detect and eliminate malicious software. Consult professionals. If issues persist, seek assistance from cybersecurity experts or your service provider. Staying vigilant and proactive is essential in protecting your personal information. Stay safe, stay secure, and by recognizing these warning signs and taking appropriate action, you can help ensure your privacy remains intact. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.